Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy A51 using recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock if you have one you don't know the pattern to. Keep in mind that if you're logged into a Google account, you'll need to confirm it later during setup. It will block you from finishing setup if you don't know your Google account. To get started, I'll lock the device as though I don't know the pattern. You can see the pattern assuming I don't know it. If you try to shut off the device, you'll see you most likely can't because it will ask you to confirm with the pattern. We'll have to forcibly shut it down by holding the power key and volume down at the same time until the screen shuts off. Once it does, switch from volume down to volume up while still holding the power key. Keep holding until you see it shut off, then switch to volume up. When you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, let go, and we're now in recovery mode. From here, use the volume keys to navigate since the touchscreen doesn't work. Select Wide Data Factory Reset, then press the power key to confirm factory data reset. You'll see a dialog box on the bottom, and once Data Wipe Complete appears, Reboot System Now should be selected by default. Just confirm that by pressing the power key. The device will reboot and continue resetting in the background, so it may take longer than usual to turn back on. Once finished, you'll see the Android setup screen. Now the process is finished and you can set up your device as you like, starting by choosing a language. This is how you reset your device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.